Hi everyone, I'm Dr. S. Amuda, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science from Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today now we will discuss about the concept Intelligent Operations and Maintenance System for Offshore Wind Farms. This is the one of the real-time applications in artificial intelligence for to developing an application. Introduction to intelligent operation and maintenance system for offshore wind farms. The offshore wind farms operation is a to creating the different kind of environment to developing a wind farms and to collect the data. That is, it's very difficult and it is a very expensive process. And industrial AI enables predictive and remote monitoring system for a wind turbines. The three this is a remote monitoring system. Challenges in offshore wind farms: harsh weather conditions and high maintenance costs, and remote location accessibility and safety risk. These are all the big challenges in wind farms. Suppose it's a different floating platform for offshore wind farms. That is, whether the condition is very poor, it is very difficult to handle, and the cost wise is very high for the maintenance. And remote location is accessibility, that means access from one location to the another location, and safety risk. AI enabled system components, that is SCADA data collection, that is supervisory control and data acquisition is the full form of SCADA. System collected your turbine performance data including, that is rotor speed and blade pinch angle, power output, gearbox temperature. These are all the your turbine performance measurement methodologies. And vibration and acoustic monitoring, sensor detects structural faults in blades and gearbox. Benefits: predict fault detection, that is your AI model to predict a fault in automatically. For example, your gearbox failure, bearing damage, and blade cracks, and generator malfunction. If you to construct your windmill automatically to detect the fault detection, suppose gearbox failure and bearing damage and blade cracks, generator malfunction, these are all the prediction fault detection. And remaining useful life prediction, it is a less modules forecasting components to span to the schedule for the maintenance of the proactivity. Weather-based optimization. The weather-based optimization, it is AI models incorporated wind speed forecasting to optimize your turbine control strategies. And it is a weather based on that weather also to detect it. And drone and computer vision inspection, there is a drone camera detect the blade and cracks correction using the deep learning image analysis. It is a mind map, offshore wind farm, AI maintenance, SCADA data and fault prediction, drone inspection. This is the method of that offshore wind farms and maintenance. Design thinking concept, they empathize the user perspective to define the problems and define to clearly to give a solution, and ideate for to create a model with a prototype and test the results. This is the description of industrial context. For example, your wind business located or farms in shore experience falls. For example, to locating a windmill, that is first step. Second one is the maintenance team detect the generator and block issued. First, for example, overall that our city to implement one concept based on that concept to detect the failures. Thank you.